Names of balls in English. Soccer ball, USA, football, UK and India. American football, basketball, tennis ball, baseball, volleyball, bowling ball, golf ball, pool ball or billiards ball, beach ball, ice hockey puck, knee hockey ball, field hockey ball, street hockey ball, lacrosse ball, badminton birdie or shuttlecock, cricket ball, dodgeball or playground ball, water polo ball, paddle ball, spiky massage ball, yoga ball or workout ball, lawn ball, wiffle ball, squash ball, hurling ball, rugby ball, hand ball, sepak takraw ball, table tennis ball, bouncing ball or hopper ball, puffer ball, stress relief ball, squishy ball, squishy grape ball. These balls are known as pit balls or play pit balls.